Yeah. What's up? Holy shit.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. Got a awesome video for you today. Gonna link up with the GROMS group I rode with a couple videos back. Go check that out if you haven't. Gonna link up with them and then actually link up with my buddy who I bought the red GROMS from. He texted me he wants to learn how to pop wheelies, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna see if we can teach him a little bit. See if we can get that front wheel up and maybe get to balance point. So let's jump into it. Get on the bike. Let's go.
All right, we made it to the made it over to the mall nice and safe. Stopped, got some gas. So we always go up on the top of the parking garage. I think I'm gonna just go up there and rip a couple doozy wops, couple silly willies. Let's see, maybe hit one here. Dude, that Corvette's sick. Z06, baby. He don't want none of the GROMS. God, that was awful. Yep, that's why I gotta warm up, homie. That was what gear am I in? Oh, probably because I'm like third gear, huh? Let's go over to the parking garage. That was just pathetic. Wee! We're in the parking garage, huh? Yeah, parking lot action. These people in that car were clapping for me. That's so funny. Oh, we got some dudes here. We got some bikes. I don't know where they are. See their bikes. Let's rip some nifty wheelies. I'm so glad I wore gear today. It was freezing last ride. I wonder if they're in it. Surely they're not in the mall. I don't know why I'm struggling with second gear. Just not enough speed, I guess. This road, it's so uneven and bumpy. So fun. Well, we're rolling. All right, guys, we're rolling. Got a good group. Got 6 of us today. That's pretty dope. We're actually heading down towards downtown Greenville. Go hoon around again a little bit. Hoon again around. View of the Blue Ridge Parkway, or Blue Ridge Mountains. Let's get downtown. We'll have some fun. That's a lot I was telling. That's the one I was. It's right there. We just have to loop. Found a little lot. It's rough. Rough. Oh, my boy got one. It's real dippy. So you using your back brake? Definitely, yeah, use your back brake. So when I pop it up, I catch you with my back brake and then just feather it the whole time. What on the throttle? Yeah. No, not really. After I get it up and catch you with my back brake, like when I pop it and I hold it there and I'm up, my throttle don't change till I hit that back brake, and then I just articulate.
I get scared once I get up there. I just let go a little bit.
No, yeah, use your back brake. Yeah, chopping it. That's what I used to do, is like chop it.
Yeah.
But once you
said that in the video.
Yeah, use your back brake. Your back brake is everything, dude, because you can like keep that smooth throttle and it'll get up there, and then that back brake will catch it, and you kind of like between the two, and that's how I hold it. Okay. For sure. You got it. Oh shit, he's down. Got a man down. Let's go check on our boy. You good? Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, you threw it up like a cowboy. There it is. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Riveting. Oh boy. Yee. Mini bike mayhem. Boy's got the bag on the red one above me. He is scrubbing. Bag life. Living that bag life every day. Guys, if you don't have a Grom, I'd highly recommend it. It's probably some of the cheapest fun you can get if you got a couple group of guys like this. It is super fun. What's that thing running? What's that thing running?
525.
Heck yeah. When I say it's busy, guys, it is busy down here. Holy shnikes. Holy shnikes. Look at the people. Oh yeah, it's getting crazy. I think I could stand it up in third. Nah, I don't want to do it. Front of the pack like a jackass. this is dope. This is a lot right here, boys. Yeah. A little urban exploring. What we got over here? It's crazy. Oh, it's like a jump. Jan, you gonna do it? Hell no. Oh no, he's down. I about looped it. Ooh, that was scary. Glad it didn't get out from under me. Yeah, bro, you were in it. You were in it. You were in balance point.
I let go. I got scared.
Yeah, you can let off a smidge. Just once you get there, just roll off the throttle just a little bit. I mean, it's the smallest increments. Once you get it to that brake, and then let off the throttle like just a little bit. You know what I mean? Just. Yeah. Brake! Bro, your foot. There you go. There it is. Oh shit. Got a little dirt action here. Holy shit. Oh, you talked me into hitting it. Oh, don't die. Got her. Well, there it is, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Something a little different, little hooligan day on the minis. Definitely fun to get out with. If you don't have one, man, I mean, the ticket, they're a blast, but it's definitely more fun with a group. So, you know, I enjoy the stunt riding and stuff, but it's so fun to just get out and just ride these little bikes, to just peg them out and do hooligan stuff with your friends. So I do like doing hood rat stuff with my friends, so you know, it's a good time. But until next time, guys, I'll have a video out for you guys. Not sure what, probably going to start that mini chopper, but if you can, drop a like, subscribe and share. I'd certainly love it. And yeah, y'all have a good one.